No. You're just fine. I know. That was a knock. I know, that was a knock. You're right. That was a knock. They're right next door. Don't worry about it. You're in the building. I know. You're good. You're good. It's okay. Yep, it's okay. And jealous ain't even way. What are you jumping beam for? You hiding? Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Blue. Look at me, Blue. Blue. Yo. Zeus to be looking up at it. Are you funny? You hiding? Are you hiding from me? Yawn. You hiding from me? What do you want to get? You funnies. Hey, what are you doing? What you looking at? Good job, Zeus. Good job. Good jobs. And Blue, you need to stop chilling with that. Alright. Here he is. Here's Blue with the one hand over and slobbering over there like I got a brother. Alright.